Okay, spoiler alert, this lot actually turned out really well for me. Hey guys, this is Steve with TronicsFix, and a little while ago I uploaded a video about an electronics lot, a Salvage Electronics lot I bought to resell on eBay, and I'm gonna update you guys on how I did. So with the Salvage Electronics lot that I bought, I actually didn't know a lot about some of the things that I was getting, but I did know that there were some things like these video cameras. Some of them were very expensive, so I thought at least if I could sell them, even if I could sell them for parts, I could at least make my money back. But it turns out that I was able to fix a lot of the stuff, and there was some stuff that was even working. For example, these iFi Mobi Pro SD cards that are Wi-Fi enabled, those actually work just fine. And I still have items like these Apple TVs that I haven't even tested. They're not worth a lot, but assuming they're working, I'll probably get a little bit of money for those as well. So let's get to what I know you guys want to hear. Let's talk numbers. So let's first talk handy cams. The Sony handy cams, when I first unboxed them and took a look at them and analyzed the prices, I was hoping that I could get at least $490. And it turns out that out of the 15, 8 of them were fixable, and I ended up making $930 just on the handy cams. Now also keep in mind, I do have some of these that still will be for sale. This one actually works. It just has some parts that need to be replaced, so I'll be listing that. This one is for parts. It's not fixable, so that is also for sale. So when these sell, I'll make even more just on the handy cams. Also in the lot were 8 wireless display adapters by Microsoft. Those I'm actually selling on Amazon, and I found that they're actually worth about $49 each. Now I do have to take some fees and stuff out of that, but 6 of them have already sold, and I'm getting about $42 each for those. So the total I've made on the wireless display adapters so far is $252, and there's still 2 of them for sale at $49 each. And now we come to the iFi Mobi Pro. These are Wi-Fi enabled SD cards, and I received 11 of them in the Salvage Electronics lot. I found that all of them did actually work just fine, and so far I have sold 10 of them for $926. So my buy cost on this entire lot of electronics was $485, and so far I've made $2,108 in sales. So if we take the cost of the items at $485 and we take the cost of the fees at $210, those are eBay, Amazon, PayPal fees, etc., we get a grand total of $1,403 in pure profit. So that gives you an update on what I've been selling on eBay and Amazon. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments section below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.